everyone, Dr. Kevin here. Let's make sig figs easy. First, in scientific notation, all digits in the coefficient are significant. So there is some scientific notation. The 6.00 is the coefficient and 10 squared is the exponent. 6.00 times 10 squared is 3 significant figures because in scientific notation all digits in the coefficient are significant. Here we have just one significant figure, 3 times 10 to the fourth. That leads to the first question in our decision tree. Are we using scientific notation? If the answer is yes, all digits in the coefficient are significant. Nice and easy. If the answer is no, we go on to our next question. Are all digits non-zero? If the answer is yes, it's nice and easy. They're all significant. 65 is 2 sig figs, and this is 6 sig figs. So we can go back to our decision tree, and we fill in our second question. Are all digits non-zero? If the answer is yes, then they're all significant. If the answer is no, we go on to our third question. Are there zeros between two non-zero digits? So here's an example. 506, there's a 0 between 5 and 6. In that case, the zeros are significant. 506 is 3 sig figs. The 5, the 0, and the 6 all significant. The next number, 4001, 4 sig figs, and 40.012, 5 sig figs. We fill in our decision tree again. Are there zeros between non-zero digits? If the answer is yes, those zeros between non-zero digits are all significant. Before our next question, let's define leading and trailing zeros. Leading zeros are before the first non-zero digit. Trailing zeros, on the other hand, are after the first non-zero digit. So could it be 75000 or 7500.00? What are the rules? Leading zeros are never significant, even with a decimal point. So if we happen to write 0012, we normally would write it just 12. There are only 2 significant figures. Leading zeros are not significant. If we wrote 0.000345, that has just 3 significant figures. Trailing zeros, however, can be significant, and the key is, does the number have a decimal point? If yes, trailing zeros are significant. If no, trailing zeros are not significant. A couple of examples. 5000 with no decimal point. That's just one significant figure. 5000 with a decimal point, however, means there are 4 significant figures. The decimal point makes the trailing zeros significant. That leads to our next question for our decision tree. Does the number have a decimal point? If the answer is no, leading and trailing zeros are not significant. If the answer is yes, however, leading zeros are not significant, but trailing zeros are significant. Why have trailing zeros? In science, we always report our certain figures and one uncertain digit. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps make sig figs easy. Take care.